panels are very low maintenance. However, a quick clean every so often keeps them looking great and helps maintain their efficiency. But before you begin cleaning them, here are a few things to avoid during the process. Avoid using mineral-rich or hard water that can damage the surface of the panels over time. Instead, use distilled water, deionized water, or purchase a water softening attachment for your hose to filter hard minerals. Never use abrasive cleaning tools, brushes, and cleaning pads, which can scratch the panels and reduce their production efficiency. Instead, use brushes with soft bristles, sponges, squeegees, and towels. It's better to use a basic garden hose than a pressure washer. If you choose to use a high-pressure hose attachment, don't get too close to your panels when you spray them down to prevent damage. Keep these tips in mind when cleaning your solar panels, and don't hesitate to contact your friends at West Coast Solar with questions. Take care, and thanks for watching.